Good morning everyone, I'm Chef Xavier today. We're going to prepare a little recipe for the cherry blossoms, and today we're going to do organic quinoa and yogurt salad. So what we're having the three different types of quinoa: organic, the white, the black and the red. I'm going to use a little bit of untitled chiffonade, quarter of a cherry tomato, some slice of radish, red radish, a little bit for color, some radicchio, some dice of cucumber, and for the dressing we're going to use milk and yogurt. And I use a little bit of arugula and some steamed asparagus. So nice yogurt, a little bit of the milk, make it a little bit thinner. A bit of salt and pepper. We try. Perfect. We're gonna mix our quinoa. You know, all the times when you do something, you try to visualize it and make sure you have a lot of nice colors, vibrant colors, because it's more appealing. A little bit of salt and pepper on the quinoa. So you can cook the quinoa the day before. So pretty much everything is pretty much ready. A little bit of asparagus, the tips. You put the dressing on the bottom. Get your quinoa. And after that, each of them, decorate them. So the arugula, a little bit of the asparagus, radicchio, couple quarters of cherry tomato, a little bit of the radish. Maybe put the dressing on the top. And this morning, I went to pick up some flowers in the garden. There we go. It's a quick salad of quinoa and beautiful spring vegetables.
Today I'm making a cocktail in honor of the Cherry Blossom Festival. And it's a pretty simple cocktail, but it starts with an interesting base. The first part is juice made out of red cabbage and water, emulsified and strained, with about an ounce of simple syrup added, and that's the simple base. The next ingredient is vodka. You're going to take about an ounce of vodka and chill it, and add it to the cocktail. As you add the ingredients, you'll see the color change as the pH balance changes. The next ingredient is peach schnapps or triple sec. As you can see, it's getting a little bit lighter. Next ingredient is lemon juice. And the last and final ingredient is soda water. Serve it with a twist. And there you go, your cherry blossom cocktail.